The Charge is the most popular fitness tracker that Fitbit makes, and today, for the first time, we got to see its newest edition, the Charge 3, a sleek and stylish fitness tracker that you can wear at the gym or even pair up with a leather band and wear at office meetings. Hello guys, my name is Vic Christoph with PhoneArena, and this is our first look at what could be the best fitness tracker for everyone in 2018. From afar, the Charge 3 actually looks a lot like its predecessor, the Charge 2, but take a closer look and you'll notice big improvements in the screen and responsiveness of the tracker. It's also very lightweight and very comfortable to wear for even longer periods of time, a huge advantage for a gadget that you're supposed to wear all day and night. Fitbit even goes on to characterize the Charge 3 as almost a smartwatch, but with one clear distinction, a much longer battery life of up to 7 days. Excited? So are we. So let's first go through the main highlights. The Charge 3 first has a more elegant design, then a 40% bigger screen than the Charge 2. It has support for more than 15 exercises including running, cycling and swimming. It has period tracking that women will appreciate, as well as 24/7 heart rate tracking including sleep tracking and HR zones. It has a blood oxygen saturation meter and even smartphone notifications. There is one missing feature that we have to mention right away. There's no GPS on board, so if you need to track your runs, you would have to carry a phone with you to do that. As close as it is to a smartwatch, the new Charge 3 is a fitness tracker, and it's one that you can wear passively, without the need to constantly do something on it. It doesn't overload you with information. Tracking is automatic and you have a useful timeline overview of your daily activity, but no further distractions. There are still stats and plenty of them with a lot of great detail and insight, but all of that is saved in the Fitbit app on your smartphone. You get a big overview of your daily stats and you can dig deeper in your heart rate variations through each day, so you know much better what is normal for you in the long term, and you can easily spot any irregularities. Or you can dig deeper in your sleeping patterns if you wear the Charge 3 while sleeping. And you can get very detailed breakdown of heart rate zones, which are important so that you don't overtrain. You navigate around the Charge itself with swipes on the screen, and you also have a button on the side, but this one is a virtual key. There are no clicking buttons here. The Charge 3 comes with a very comfortable silicone band that has a nice pattern to it and feels better and more comfy than the band on the Charge 2. It's also plug and play, and so are all the bands for the Charge 3. We have tried swapping bands and it's all very easy and quick. A simple tap on the button towards the base and the band pops off and you can replace it with a different one. You have a few different styles of bands, a dotted sports band for $30, a woven band for $35, a Horween leather one for $50. All reasonable prices for some good looking bands. As you can probably already tell, we are excited about the new Fitbit Charge 3, but it's still a few months away from its official launch that is set for October. The price is set at $150 for the regular Charge 3 and $170 for the special edition, with the only difference between the two being the support for NFC and Fitbit Pay in the pricier model. So this wraps up our first look at the Fitbit Charge 3. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.